Hi everyone! My name is Emmanuel and today I want to share an important message about something we often forget plagiarism and why we must stop it. Plagiarism is when you copy someone else's ideas, words or work and pretend it's yours. It can happen in homework, in music, videos, and even social media. And, and let's be honest, it's not right. When you plagiarize, you don't learn anything new. You're stealing someone's effort, their time, their creativity, and their hard work. That's not fair, and it's honest. People deserve credit for what they create, just like you want credit for your work, others do too. The solution is simple. Be original, be creative, be honest. It's okay to get inspired by others, but always give credit. Use your own words, your own voice, your own ideas. You'll be surprised at how much you can create. So next time you do a project, write an essay or share something online. Think twice. Say no to plagiarism and yes, you respect creative and learning. Let's build a world that values original ideas. Let's stop plagiarism.